Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will discuss about two SQL problems. So in the first problem we have given a table in which we have two columns ID and gender, which are like that, and we want the output in the form like this, where we want alternate genders like female male not defined, female male not defined, female male not defined, but we want them in the order of the IDs, like one female here, then two female here, then three female here, and so we want to sort them by ID also. So this is the output that we want from the given input table, this one. So let's go to the SQL. I have already uploaded the table, and here is the table. So we want genders in an alternate order, but we want them to be ordered by ID. So I guess what we can do here is we can select ID comma gender comma, and then we can do row number partition by gender and order by ID as RN from genders. Let me run this and see what the output is. Over. Let me run this. So now we are getting like female, but the order is 1 2 3 and then 1 2 3 and then 1 2 3. Okay, and then what I can do is with CTES, from here I can select ID comma gender from CTE order by RN and gender. Let me run this, and here is the output. When I am ordering by the, you can say, the row number, it's 1, and then the gender are also in the, you can say, alphabetical order like female. So I am ordering by RN and gender, so it's 1 female, then 4 male, 7 not defined, and then 2 female, and then 3 female here, and they are in the alternate way: female male not defined, female male not defined, female male not defined. So this is the way that we can get these alternate genders ordered by the IDs that they have. So this is the first question, and the second question is, we have given two tables. The first table has two columns, column 1 and column A and column B, in which I have 1 2 3 4, and for them there are values A B C D. And in the second table there are also two columns, column A, column B, and there we have values 1 2 4 5 A B X C, and we want output like this: 3 only in table 1. So here we can see 3 ID is present only in table 1, it's not here, so we want 3 only in table 1. 4 different in both tables. So if we see the value of 4 in table 1, it's D, and in table 2 it's X. So we want the output or a comment like different in both tables. And for 5 we want it like only in table 2, because 5 is present only in table 2, it's not present in table 1. So this is our desired output that we want. So let's go back to our SQL. I've already uploaded both tables here. Let me refresh it here, and you can see the point 1 and point 2 are the two tables that we have. So let me first run point 1, and let me run second table also. So 2. So what I can do is select asterisk from point underscore 1 as P1 full outer join point underscore P2 as P2 on P1 dot ID is equal to P2 dot ID. Let me just run it and see how the output is. After running this, I can see my output is like this: 1A, 2, 2BB, 4D, 4X, 5 is null here, 3 is null here. Okay. So now what I can do is select P1 dot ID, comma, case when P1 dot ID is not null and P2 dot ID is null, then only in table 1. Let me just run this and see how the output is, and as comment. So here we can see we are getting rest of the columns also, but for 3 we can get only in table 1, and that's what we want, 3 in only table 1. Okay, let me write the same for the others. When P1 dot ID is null and P2 dot ID is not null, then only in table 2. And the last one is going to be when P1 dot, what's the second column name? It's the point 1 where it's different. So we can say that when P1 dot point is not equal to P2 dot point, then different in both tables. We want something like that. So let me run it and see. Okay, we are getting 1 and 2 also, and we are getting 4 different in both tables. Yes, this is only in table 2 is 5, that is coming from table 2, and we are just selecting P1 dot ID, that's why it's not coming. Okay, got it. And 3 is table 1. So here what we can do is we can use Coalesce function and we can do P1 if it's present, otherwise P2 dot ID as ID. Let me run this and see. Okay, now we got our desired output, like we are reaching close to it, but we have 1 and 2 null also. Okay, to get this, what I can do is I can do like where P1 dot ID is null or P2 dot ID is null, or where it's different, P1 dot name is not equal to P2 dot name. Let me run this. P1 dot name invalid identifier. Where P1 dot ID is null or P2 dot ID is null, or P1 dot name is not equal to P2 dot name. Why it's an invalid identifier? Do I need a bracket here? Oh, it's P1 dot point, my bad. P1 dot point Okay, yeah, that's a silly mistake from my side. Yeah, and then order by id. So that's our full query to get the desired output. 3 is only in table 1, 4 is on different in both tables, and 5 is only in table 2. So like, yeah, so this is the way of getting it. Like there is a, you can say there is a bigger way of doing it, and that is like using the left join and right join. So let me do like select id comma I want only in table 1 as comment from point 1 as p1. I will do the left join on point p2 as p2 on p1 dot id is equal to p2 dot id, where p2 dot id is null. Let me run this and see the output. Why I am doing these silly mistakes? Ambiguous column name id. p1 dot id. 3 only in table 1. Okay, got it. Let me copy this and I will do union all, select. Now here I will do p2 dot id only in table 2 as comment this. I will take as p2 point 1 as p1, and here p1 is null. So let me run this. 3 and 5 is only in table 2 and 3 is only in table 1. Okay, got it. And the last one is we have to worry about the fourth. I will again do this select p1 dot id and I will do here different in both the tables as comment p1 as p2, and then I will do join this where p1 dot point is not equal to p2 dot point, and then in the end I will do order by id. Let me run this. Yep, so this is the other way of getting it. Like 3 is only in table 1, 4 is in different in tables, 5 is only in, like using left join. I mean it is, we can do it the right join here, but yeah, I just use the left join. Yeah, so these are the two different questions that I saw and I found them interesting, so I thought I might share them with everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care, have a good day. See you guys in the next video. Bye.